morning, everyone. It is Sunday morning and I'm having a little bit of dark chocolate hot cocoa, getting my day started. I've just kind of been relaxing. I'm a little late getting out. I've been over here once and did just a quick check, but show what's going on. Of course, they're still continuing digging footings. You know, these are pretty good size footings here too. As you see, they gotta support a lot of weight. Those are a little over 1.5 meters. Marlin, I swear Marlin could dig a hole from here to China. He is a digging son of a gun. He's here working on another one right now. So that's what's happening there with that. And then it's Sunday. They wanted to work, you know, they're wanting to earn money, and they know they better grab the opportunity while they can while we're here working on this project. And it helps us because it speeds things along. So in here, it's still progress moving along. The skim coating continues. Your son, he's moved in here out of the rain. He said the heck with working outside, he's going to join the skim coat crew. Join the easy life. Yeah. So work is going on with that. It's looking great. I'm happy for it. It's a little bit of a slow process, but when you want it done right, don't rush it. So that continues on. Meanwhile, I want to check over here the inverter for temporary power. It's been doing good. It's charging over here. Let me check this thing real quick. You can read this thing, but the status is all good on it. As long as those two lights there are flashing, it means everything's rocking along. It's showing here. Let me see if you can see up here. Showing the solar panels are bringing power in, and there's solar panels that's charging the battery, and then it's inverting and it's outputting power. So everything's going good on that. In fact, they're running lights over here with it right now. Cloudy, rainy, but I was still happy. The solar is still charging now. You know, it's at a very diminished capacity on a cloudy day like this. I think rain's about to come, but it's still charging and it's holding up. I need more battery to it though. I know that. It did run everything overnight. I tested and left everything on, and it survived through till the morning, but it was getting down to a lower capacity. If we had days of clouds and no charging, I would still be in a predicament. I didn't really want to buy any more of those lead acid batteries though. I really hate to. If I was going to do it, I better do it right now while that system's only a couple days old, so that those batteries are all the same age and then together. Man, I hate to buy any more lead acid. I was really just wanting to get that Tesla Model S battery or batteries here. So I've got to make a decision. Those lead acid batteries here are not expensive, but it's a decision I'm going to need to make so we can have more storage capacity. And because of this always wind, we are really looking at putting maybe a couple marine wind generators, and I'll have to buy marine ones because your average May one will not hold up to the salt here.